This is Adam Caput, and I'm a luxury realtor in South Florida with Keller Williams Realty. We could not be more excited to bring you our newest luxury listing in Lauderdale Isles, Riverland area of Fort Lauderdale. 2607 Sugar Loaf Lane in Fort Lauderdale is the pinnacle of waterfront luxury. Rarely does a home of this magnitude and quality come to market. Completely reimagined in 2022-2023, this property was gut renovated from the ground up. Every aspect of the home has been meticulously upgraded, including new electrical, plumbing, mechanical, roof, impact windows and doors, both interior and exterior finishes. Nestled on a quarter-acre lot, this home offers 90 feet of new dockage and deep water ocean access with no fixed bridges, making it a boater's dream. The telescopic sliding glass doors open directly to the resort-style pool and patio, creating an ideal space for entertaining and relaxation. The interior has been transformed with custom finishes and modern design elements that exude luxury at every turn. No expense spared in creating this one-of-a-kind waterfront estate.